Is FC26 crashing on your PS5? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Now let's dive into check how easily we can fix the issue when FC26 is not launching or crashing on PS5. Method 1. Rebuild the database. Rebuilding the database on your PlayStation console reorganizes the data on your hard drive. This process can help resolve issues by cleaning up and optimizing the data structure. To rebuild the database, first switch off the gaming console. Next, press the power button of the PS console and hold it till you hear 2 beeps. This should boost the PS console into safe mode. Now, connect the console to the DualShock controller via USB cable. From your controller, now press the PlayStation switch. Next, choose Clear Cache and Rebuild Database. Select Rebuild Database from the menu using the controller to navigate. Confirm the rebuild operation by pressing the X button on the controller. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. After completing the rebuild process, restart the console. Method 2. Update the system software via internet. Open settings on your PS5, then go to System, then select System Software. Head to System Software Update and Settings. If an update is available, click Update using the internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to update and install the software. Follow as shown to finish the process. Method 3. Power cycle the gaming console. Sometimes the cache data may get corrupted and result in PS console errors. So power cycle the console to get rid of the cache. To do that, hold the power button of the console for a few seconds till it completely turns off. Once the controller is off, release the power button and unplug it from the main power source. Wait for a minute, then plug it back in and restart the console. Method 4. Update the content. The next thing you can do is update the game. Here is how to do so. Highlight the game on the home page of the console. Press the Options button. Select Check for Update to ensure the game is updated to the latest version. Method 5. Restore licenses. To restore licenses on PS5 console, navigate to Settings, then select Users and Accounts. Next, select Other. Then select Restore Licenses. Select the licenses that you want to restore. Then restart the game and check. Method 6. Clean the disk. The next thing you can do is clean the disk. You can use a soft, clean cloth to gently wipe the disk. Make sure not to use chemicals or rough materials that could scratch the disk. Also ensure there are no fingerprints, dirt on the disk. Method 7. Reinstall the content. Next, you can uninstall or reinstall the game for which you are getting the error. Deleting the game and re-downloading the game can fix the issue. To uninstall the game on PS5, open PS5 device storage, then head to console storage. Then select Games and Apps. Now select the problematic game and select the delete option. Follow as shown to delete a game or app. Next, reinstall the game from the Play Store and check. Method 8. Check for overheating. Ensure your console isn't overheated. Check that the console vents are unobstructed and there is good airflow. Keep the console in a cool and dry area. Make sure there is no direct sunlight or any heating object nearby. You can also clean the vents of the console. Method 9. Check the hard drive. Also make sure the hard drive is not responsible for the issues. To do so, you will need a PC. Now connect the PS console HHD to a computer, head to this PC, then right-click on the hard drive's icon. Select Show More Options. Next, open its properties, open the Tools tab. Click on Check under Error Checking. Let the process finish. Once done, replug this PlayStation console's HDD and relaunch the game. If the error persists, you can check with another hard drive and replace the old one if necessary. Method 10. Contact PlayStation support team. If none of the methods shown could fix the issue, you can contact the PlayStation support team. Type your problem and follow the on-screen instructions provided by the team to fix the issue. And there you have it, the methods to fix the issue when FC26 is acting up on your PS5 console. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution helped you fix the issue. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.